Hey everyone, if you're trying to save or download your project and keep getting a Pixlr export failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix Pixlr export problems in 2026. First, refresh the page and try exporting again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt the export process and prevent Pixlr from generating the final file. Next, check your internet connection. Although exporting may seem like a local action, many Pixlr features rely on cloud-based services, and a weak connection can sometimes cause export failures. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with Pixlr's export system and cause unexpected errors. Before exporting, make sure all edits have finished processing and that no tools are still running in the background. If none of these solutions work, contact Pixlr support and provide details about the project size, file format, browser version, and any error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix Pixlr export failed errors in 2026. In most cases, updating your browser, reducing project complexity, clearing cache, or disabling conflicting extensions will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.